Hello, third degree students, and welcome to our new session. Today, inshallah, we're going to discuss Unit 4. The title of the unit is Science and Technology. Today, we're going to discuss Lesson 2. It's at page 19. So, all what I want is to open your book at page 19. Lesson 2, page 19. Okay. 2. Underline the modal verbs with be in these sentences. Underline the modal verbs with be in these sentences. Sentence number 1, it can't be easy if you don't know how to use a computer or send an email. Number 2, a lesson might be about how fast a ball falls through the air. Number 3, it might be using data to make a graph. Number 4, STEM school students must be hardworking. Now it's your turn. Try to find out the modal verbs. You don't know the modal verbs? Okay, let's know the modal verbs. Modal verbs. Modal verbs, it means الأفعال الناقصة. Modal verbs. The first modal verb is can. Can. The past of can is could. Will. The past is would. Shall. Should. May. Might. Must. And ought to. So these are the modal verbs. The modal verbs in English: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, and ought to. These are the modal verbs. Now it's your turn. I want you to try to find out the modal verbs. In sentence number 1, it can't be easy if you don't know how to use a computer or send an email. Where is the modal verb here? Yeah, that's right. The modal verb is can't. Number 2, a lesson might be about how fast a ball falls through the air. Where is the modal verb? Yeah, that's right. The modal verb is might. Number 3, it might be using data to make a graph. Where is the modal verb? The modal verb is might. That's right. Sentence number 4, STEM school students must be hardworking. Try to find out the modal verb. The modal verb here is must. So these are the modal verbs: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, and ought to. Let's move to another point. We use these modal verbs, or some of them, to express certainty and uncertainty. Might, must, can't be. Let's start with must be. Must be. لابد أنه. We use must be when we feel sure that something is true, or when we feel sure about it. بنستخدم must عندما نكون متأكدين من صحة شيء أو إن شيء صحيح. Look at the following examples. He must be clever. He always comes first. He must be clever. He always comes first. Okay. Number two, or example number two, she must be rich. Why? I feel sure about that. Because you are sure about that, we use must. She must be rich. I feel sure about that. So we use must be when we are sure about that something is true. When we are sure that something is true. Okay. Can't be. لا يمكن أن يكون. Use can't be when we feel sure something is not true. So you have to use can't be when you're sure that something is not true. So can't be is the opposite of must be. Look at the examples. There aren't any dinosaurs on Earth. That can't be a real dinosaur. We use can't be because we're sure that something is not true. She has a lot of work to do. She has a lot of work to do. She can't be free. عندها عمل كثير. She can't be free. لا يمكن أن تكون عندها وقت فراغ. Okay. So we use must be when we are sure that something is true, and we use can't be when we are sure that something is not true. And you have to use must be and can't be when you find one of these expressions. بنستخدمهم لما نلاقي أحد التعبيرات الآتية. I feel sure. I'm certain. Surely. Certainly. Definitely. I have no doubt. It's impossible. Okay? All of these expressions mean that you are sure about that something is true or not true. Okay? Okay. Let's move to another point. Might be. Might be. ربما يكون. من المحتمل. So we use might be or might to say that we are not sure about something. We use might to say that we are not sure about something. Look at this example. The phone is ringing. It might be Aunt Mona. It might be محتمل أن تكون. But I'm not sure. أنا لست متأكدا. Because I'm not sure, because this expression we used might. He might be at home, but I'm not sure. Because I'm not sure, because this expression we use might. Might من المحتمل. I don't know why the baby girl is crying. I don't know the reason. I don't know the cause. I don't know why the baby girl is crying. She might be hungry. We use might be because I don't know or I don't know. Okay? Okay. So use might be when you find one of these expressions. All these expressions mean that you are not sure about something. كلهم معناهم أنك لست متأكدا من شيء. Uncertain. I'm not sure. I have no idea. Possibly. Likely. Probably. I don't think so. It's possible. Probably. Perhaps. كل دول معناهم من المحتمل. غير متأكد. لا أعتقد ذلك. من الممكن أن. So all of these expressions express uncertainty. express that you are not sure about something. So when you find any one of these expressions, you have to use might be. Okay. Look at these exercise. Look at this exercise at page 19. Complete the sentences with might, must, or can't be. The first example or the first question is that something Ali in the street is gone away on holiday for 2 weeks. Number 2, in this photo, everyone is wearing warm clothes. It's something very cold there. Number 3, I'm not sure what the weather will be like tomorrow. It's something hot or windy. Don't say hot. Hot. Is this Nadia's bag? It's something. Let's see if her box are in it. Number 5, you've been working very hard today, Mom. You've been working very hard today, Mom. You're something tired. Number 6, this something Hassan's bicycle. This something Hassan's bicycle. Bicycle, 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 bicycle. Not bicycle, bicycle. He doesn't have one. So in the first sentence here, that something Ali in the street is gone away on holiday for 2 weeks because Ali has gone away on holiday for 2 weeks. That can't be Ali. So the answer is can't be, because we're sure that something is not true. Number 2, in this photo, everyone is wearing warm clothes. It's something very cold there, because we're sure that the weather is cold there. We use must be. Number 3, I'm not sure what the weather will be like tomorrow. I'm not sure. When you are not sure about something, you have to use might be. Okay. Is this Nadia's bag? They are not sure. It's something. Let's see if her box are in it. Here, they are not sure. So the answer is it might be, or it might be hers. Number 5, you've been working very hard today, Mom. You've been working very hard today, Mom. You're something tired. He's talking to his mom. And his mom has been working very hard all the day. So the answer is must be. Must be. Why? Because you are sure about that thing, or you are sure that your mom or his mom is tired. So we use must be. نستخدم must be لما نكون متأكدين بنسبة 100% إن الشيء صحيح. can't be لما نكون متأكدين إن الشيء 100% إن الشيء غير صحيح. might be لما نكون غير متأكدين. Sentence number 6. This something Hassan's bicycle. He doesn't have one. Because Hassan doesn't have one, the answer is can't be. إن حسن ما عندوش أصلا دراجة، لذلك نستخدم can't be لأننا متأكدين بأن هذه ليست دراجة حسن. Okay. See you next session. Thank you and goodbye.